Okay, about 3 weeks ago, I received my Bose SoundSports and absolutely loved them. A great decision. I done reviews on the Beats by Dre and some other ones, and for the price wise and the quality, Bose seemed to come above all the others. So we got those, and I had to send them back to Bose for a replacement. And I know, you're probably sitting there saying, "Hey, Robert, why did you have to send them back to Bose for a replacement?" Well, they ran into a unforeseen circumstance.
I hate you, I hate you, I hate you.
Regardless, I sent them back to Bose, and 2 days before they were to be delivered to Bose, I went to Bose website and just happened to put in the order number and the zip code, and Bose, I guess, is tracking the return and shipped mine 2 days before the replacement was to be delivered to them. So kudos to Bose, because that is great customer service. Hashtag Bose support. And anyway, I went to pick up my package, and it was our first day of snow. Yeah, that's how bad I wanted those. So here is what I went through to go get my package. This thing up and get my Bose. So drum roll, please. And there is the Bose SoundSport. And as you can see, if you ever need to return for any reason, you're covered by our 30-day hassle-free return policy. Very true. Not one question was asked. They just, I went to put them on, and they wouldn't power up, wouldn't charge. So they sent me a new pair. Marvelous, marvelous. And there they are, folks. If you are in the market for wireless earbuds, I would highly suggest the Bose SoundSport. And they also have a Bose SoundSport Plus that monitors your heart rate and whatnot for exercising. Anyway, I know they kind of look crazy, but they fit in your ears perfectly. there's a technique to putting them in. If you don't put them in, you've got to kind of put them in and twist them to where this kind of goes above your ear canal. And but if you put them in and twist them correctly, they will not come out unless you pull them out. And also volume control and phone control. And they also come with a handy dandy carrying case. And this is your holding pouch for your other size earpieces. You have large, small, and they come pre-equipped with medium ear. And all you have to do is take them off there, and they're marked left and right. This is the right, and you're right to the R is right there. And this is kind of like a hard plastic, but you just slide them on there and push down, and they're attached. Easy to change your earplugs. And again, I'm not going to open them because the mediums fit me perfect. But there's your large and your small. And you also got your charging cable. And your book. And your warranties. And you can also download the Bose application from Google Play. If you ever do have to return them, you have to give them your serial number, and they can look and see where you purchased it. You do not have to have your receipt or anything else. The only thing is, if you purchased it from Bose online, then you have to return it to Bose online. You can't take it to a Bose store or anything like that. If you purchase your Bose item from a Bose store, you cannot return it to Bose online. If you return it to Bose online, you have to have your serial number, which is on your box right there. And like I said, they can look it up and see where you purchased it, and if there's an issue, they will return it replace it, I'm sorry, with no questions asked. The product is phenomenal, and kudos to the customer service team there, because they are very professional and phenomenal as well. I'm so glad that I made this purchase, and it's very well worth it. $149.95, and I promise you will get the best sounding earbuds that I think that they are for the money. They have earbuds that's going all the way up to $400 and $500. I can't imagine how much better they would sound, but Bose has those same earbuds as well for $400 or $500. But for $150, These things are absolutely great, and I love them. I'm glad I finally got them, and it's time to go and try them out. And all you have to do to charge it is open your little pocket there, and you've got your micro USB charger. And to power them on, you just push that button one time, and you can see your green is your power, and your kind of a pinkish blue light is your Bluetooth, and you're good to go. So I hope you actually give these a try if you're in the market for wireless earbuds. You cannot go wrong. Cannot state it enough. Thank you, Bose, and we will see you later. #Bose.